How do you do, guys? On last video, it showed you how to get profit with AAVBot Cyberpunk 77 edition using BNB. Now I will show you how to get profit with AAVBot Cyberpunk 77 edition using Ethereum network. First, open cyberpunk77.aavbot.com and connect your MetaMask wallet. After your MetaMask wallet connected, open token list or menu number 4. It will show you 4 networks. Select ERC20 Ethereum network. It will redirect you to Etherscan page. Find token with high change percentage. In this case, I will choose Holo token. Click Holo token and copy contract address. Back to AAVBot main menu. Paste contract address on token address field. Then go back to Etherscan. Copy Holo token symbol and paste it on AAVBot token symbol. Next, make it sure you select Ethereum network and click Start Arbitrage Finder. Wait for a while. Input loan amount you want. Minimum 25 and maximum 1,000. The more amount, the more you can get. For example, I will input 50 loan amount with 0.15 Ethereum gas fee. I will get estimated profit from arbitrage 2.1735 Ethereum. If you input 50 loan amount, it means your gas fee is 0.15 and ROI is 14.49. It means 0.15 times 14.49 is 2.1735, which is 2.1735 is the estimated amount you will get. Next, click Deposit Ethereum. On your MetaMask wallet, click Confirm. Wait until it's success. After that, click Execute AAVBot Cyberpunk Arbitrage and wait for the notification. Now, as you guys can see, with only 0.15 Ethereum, I can get estimated profit 2.1735 Ethereum from arbitrage. You guys can try it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also turn on notification for our channel for more video about arbitrage. Look forward for next video. We will make another video with a good method soon as possible. Good luck, have a good day.